Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access Classic Cataclysm Beta. But before I show you how, I can offer Shopify completely for free for your first 3 days, and then you only pay $1 for your first month. So if you want to sign up for Cataclysm Classic Beta, you have to do certain things. So first thing is that you go to Google and type in sign up for Cataclysm Classic Beta, and then click on the first link. That's from wowclassic.blizzard.com. Once you click on that, you have two options. So shop upgrades is basically that you're going to buy something that you will get once the DLC is released, but you want to click beta opt-in and then request beta access. And then just log in with your Battle.net account, and then once you log in, you just have to confirm, yes, I want the beta access. If you want the upgradable thing, basically what you get is this Blazing Hero pack or this epic. It's just mount, so nothing special. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.